On most days, the George Observatory is used to look at the stars, but it can also serve as a launch pad for learning.
Rocket Day is an event where we have kids sign up online and they get to come out and build their own water bottle rockets with a 20-ounce pop bottle. And then we launch them behind the George Observatory, and then they also get to complete a Challenger mission to the moon. Water rockets are neat because anybody can do them, and it uses household items, but it also allows you to see what's happening inside the rocket with the fuel coming out, and it really just allows kids to get more of a sense of what a rocket is actually doing.
We had to put on the fins, we just had to put on the fins, and then after we put on the fins, we had to fill it up with water, and we could also decorate the fins. Then we had to get this like little piece of a pool noodle that they cut off and put a rock inside, then tape it and tape down the fins, and put some water in there, and then pump it up with a bike pump. And then we pulled back a little string and it went high into the air.
We have launchers that we had gotten from a science site, but you can actually make any kind of launcher out of just regular PVC pipes and elbows. One of the things they learn is just general knowledge about the rocket. We talk a little bit at the very beginning about how a rocket works, what kind of parts you need, but they also get to see firsthand what's happening with the rocket. So they get to see putting water in, different amounts of water, different amounts of air pressure, how it affects how high the rocket goes. And so they can start to put some of those engineering ideas together to figure out how a rocket works.
I'm an engineer by profession and by training, so I really enjoy getting to show kids that there's a lot of fun in science, math, and engineering, and help them see that they can learn about some of those same basic principles that we use to send rockets up into space with plastic bottles and water rockets here on the ground.
They have an amazing NASA team here that will help you understand everything they have to go through when they are launching the rocket and all the stuff that they have to go through once it's out in space. They have a very cool bottle rocket system where you can just have fun and launch rockets into the air.
It's always exciting to see the kids getting excited about space science. I've been passionate about it since I was a little kid, and I really enjoy sharing my excitement with the next generation of scientists and engineers. So it's very fun to watch them be as excited about it as I am.
Space exploration seems to be taking, at least right now, a more commercial track. And so you really need kids to start thinking about that kind of stuff so that they could come up with any kind of idea for rockets. And so getting the basic understanding of what a rocket is and how it works helps start the creative ideas coming, and so it can inspire the next set of engineers who could design possibly the next rocket. A lot of kids are off school and looking for fun things to do on the weekends when their families are around, and so it allows us to get them out here for a completely different thing, and you're still learning a little bit but completely having fun and not in the school mode.
It was just a really fun thing. It gave kids an opportunity to really get out and do something for summer, and this was a good thing to do.
It's great because especially summers here in Texas are very hot, and so you're going out, you're launching water rockets, you're gonna get wet.
I recommend this to anybody who likes adventure and, well, anybody who likes to have fun.
If you'd like to come out to the next Rocket Day, or find out about other upcoming events at the observatory or the park, visit these websites. For the Stafford Magazine, I'm Chris Barcus.